वेलकम टू विजन MBA CAT एग्जामिनेशन नाम तो सुना ही होगा. I am pretty sure if you are planning to attempt CAT examination or if you're someone who attempted CAT examination previously, you got maybe horror stories, you got a terrible experience if you have attempted the CAT examination, or if you are someone who's going to feel this roller coaster ride first time in your life, maybe you are scared already because you heard the horror stories from your seniors, you heard their struggling stories, you heard from some person or a faculty that CAT examination is quite difficult. Now guys, CAT examination, yes, of course, poses a lot of challenge to candidates. But what is the exact reason? And if you are someone who is planning to study in IIMs, any of the IIMs or any college that accept CAT examination score, and you want to be in that top-notch MBA, B school or business school, whatever you want to call them, then guys, next few minutes are very important for you. Now guys, CAT examination poses a great deal of challenge for any student who appears in it. And the reason is not because it's quite difficult, because people are ignorant, people are not aware of the approach. And so much of time, in fact 1 year they invest, or I must say waste, in understanding that mistake. So I don't want you guys to be in that. In this video, I'm not going to talk about what CAT examination is, what is the marking pattern, that is for some another day. But then, in today's video, I am going to talk about the reasons why people are not able to get a great score in CAT examination, or they are scared of CAT examination. Now guys, the first and the most important reason why they are scared and why their first attempt is not the way it should be, because CAT examination is quite different as compared to your college or school level examinations. In college and school, you got a book, you got a syllabus, you study that, and then that's what is asked in the examination. Of course, in CAT examination also, you'll be given reference books by your coaching classes or by Vision MBA. Of course, we also know what kind of questions are going to be asked. But the way these questions are asked, the way this examination is going to challenge you, the way this examination is going to judge you is quite different. In CAT examination, guys, you will be gauged on analytical thought process and comprehension skills. I'll repeat once again. Analytical process of your thought process and comprehension skills. You know the formula of percentage, you know the formula of probability. But then looking at the question, still it doesn't make sense, or still you are unable to get the answer. It's not because you do not know the formula. Of course you know the formula, but what to do, how to approach, how to apply, what needs to be calculated. That's how CAT examination is. In quant section, questions are nothing but a challenge given to you. You have to understand the question, what is asked, and based on that, formulas are applied and answer is there for you to get. But then, approach must be there. Concepts and basics are the topmost priority, or I must say it's the only thing you should be focusing upon. While preparing for CAT examination, the second mistake what students do is that they focus on tricks, they focus on few gimmicks, and they try to run away from the concept and they try to find shortcuts so that they get the answers. Guys, that thing is going to fall on face on the examination day. On the day of examination, guys, if your concepts are not clear, if your basics are not there, no matter what you do, you won't be able to get a decent score. Forget about a great score. So the second thing is that you must focus on concepts and basics. Studying for the CAT examination is important in terms of not just starting at the right time, but also correctly. A person must be able to tell you that how to approach, what to pay attention at, and what you can skip. It is a qualitative examination. What I mean is this, that there are going to be few questions asked and you are not supposed to attempt all of them. You are just supposed to attempt the questions that you are sure to get the right answer. But then of course, time is also limited. So you need to decide what all questions you must invest your time in so that you get the maximum in this examination. At Vision MBA, guys, we are going to answer all your queries. At Vision MBA, my job is not just to groom you for the examination, but also to make you ready for any challenge faced by you on the day of examination. Now, guys, if you are preparing for the CAT examination, you are supposed to keep these things in mind. And do not judge any examination based on the experience of some other candidate. Maybe my friend is good in studies, but then he or she found the CAT examination difficult. Not because it is difficult, maybe the approach isn't there. At the same time, someone who's not great in their school and college, they perform well in CAT examination. Yes, it depends upon your approach. It depends upon the concepts, the basics you're going to learn in these few months. So yes, CAT examination is definitely challenging, but not in terms of asking you NASA level or ISRO level questions. They are going to ask you questions based on the concepts, based on the in-depth analysis by the candidate. So guys, if you are planning to be in the top-notch B school, or if you want to get a great score, or in the end you want the CAT journey to be a memorable one, start at the right moment and of course correctly. Thank you and do good.